I'm gonna go tighter. Yeah, it's close. A little more. Well, I don't know. That probably worked. Maybe just a little tighter. The other thing too, while I was not working, I actually went on USA Jobs, and it was a job at the golf course to work in a golf barn, cart barn. I put in for that job.
Where's the one now, Fred?
That's
right there. That's pretty far out.
Yeah.
Pull the fender straight. Fred, that's heavy.
It's pretty tight.
It's out way out there. It's more out than I really like it. It's pretty far out.
It's releasing about halfway in.
Right there it's released.
Yeah.
Right there it's already out. Boom. You know it's going to break in a little bit, so.
Yeah.
I'm going to run it that much more.
Sounds like a plan to me.
That's what we're looking for. Pretty far out now, but it's going to smoke in the first couple of rides.
Yeah.
That is part of the finger spread.
That doesn't look like it'd be very comfortable.
What are you filming?
They can see your armpit. The clutch is still in the.
That's out way out there. It's going to have to loosen up a lot before I get the clearance.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty. That's way more than I want. That's pretty far out. That's way out there. I'd rather have an engagement right here. Not that far out. When it breaks in, it should get tighter. So.
Yeah.
Oh, that'd make it
No,
worse.
looser.
That'd
It's going to
make
get
it worse.
looser. What are you talking tighter? It's not going to tighten up. It's loosening up, which means it's going to do what you want it to do.
Depends on the applications. In the Sportster, it gets tight.
Huh?
It's going to get tighter, Fred. It's going to move in. So it's going the wrong way. I want it to be looser right now because it's going to get tight like this. I don't want it to be.
Harley?
Stupid nut jams up on this thing. What's up with that nut? It's a piece of crap. China crap. Yeah, it's going to get worse now, better when. You're going to want to be like half a turn out, half out now, because it'll get tighter and it's going to move out on me. But that's kind of where I like it, is right there. So. Give another eighth of a turn of free play.
There you go.
Got a lot of clearance.
Clearance.
Right about half bar it lets out. Now we'll change it 3/4 and it breaks in slightly. If I don't like it, I'll just adjust it out there because I got clearance in here at least. So.
Hang on, this one looks like it's already adjusted all the way out. Look, you might want to pull that in some before you.
You mean I should actually adjust it correctly?
You mean, well, it's just my comment that maybe you should pull that in some, so that two things. One, you're going to clean the threads up, and so that when you want to go do that adjustment, it's going to work instead of
I'm good.
it's all rusty and nasty like it is now.
I like it like that. It's fine for
Because you're going to get like 3 threads, and then the thing will fall out, and it'll be all flopping
And
around.
then I'll ride without a clutch. Won't be the first time.
Well, it's only the start that you need it, right?
Look how loose the chain's getting already.
You only need it to start. After that, it doesn't.
See,
really
just
matter.
running the motor around like I did at high RPM. The
Yeah.
motor, look how loose the chain's gotten now. We haven't run it yet.
Running those low RPMs. Well, it was pretty. Chain was, yeah.
I'm gonna have to tighten it up now.
You got the plugs out, so
Why?
compression. Ouch. That doesn't look like it would be any fun if your finger was there.
It has less pressure going backwards. I think this valve is leaking. What's leaking over here? I think that valve is leaking.
Yeah. Those look like you have to pull them up by hand. Oh yeah, got to pull the plug there. Ow!
What?
And I'm glad it didn't come loose and hit me in the.
She's got some kick to her.
You know what? I'm gonna move over here. You let that shit go.
She's got some kick to her.
I don't think you'll be able to kickstart that bike, huh?
I hit that.
Why you? So I'm gonna ask, what's the frickin' point? You just,
Oh, look at that.
why did it tighten up? Hey, you're bleeding.
Told you I hit that. Sliced her.
Need some air.
I'm not sure exactly what I hit, but I hit it.
Need some air for the skeeters.
What did I hit, Fred?
I think you probably.
Must have hit one of these damn lock tabs.
Yeah, you haven't tightened them down yet.
Yeah, it took the whole. It took the whole top of the finger.
You didn't say ouch.
Doesn't really hurt. Was it supposed to hurt?
I don't know.
Supposed to bleed? Not really.
Well, at least you accomplished one thing. You're bleeding before you're, you know.
It's already stopped bleeding almost. Put in some solvent and disinfect it, it'll be fine. Okay, I got to tighten these up before I get hurt more.
Yeah.
Now it's starting to bleed more now. There, see. Push on it, bleeds more. Have to go get some toilet paper and wipe it up for a second. Okay. Look how tight the chain got though. So it's got tight loose spots in the chain, so that's good.
Seems to be backwards. He finally.
Get red all over the place here in a minute. Now it's starting to bleed finally. Good thing I got red handles on my pliers. Is that the right one, Fred?
Yeah.
What about this one?
And those things look like they're pretty soft.
It is soft, it went right through my finger.
Looks like you're ready to
What do you think, Fred?
put the cover on.
You think that's good?
I think it's.
Look, my finger's clean right there. That's a new way of cleaning your finger off.
Yeah, blood solvent,
Wash it with blood.
blood cleaner.
Starting to feel a little throbbing there in my finger, but ain't worried about it later. Okay, Fred, do you like that?
I'd like that you seem to have accomplished the mission. Well,
We
part
have
of the mission.
we have a clutch that might work.
Yeah.
It's been upgraded from what it was.
Right.
It's got an extra plate in it now.
Mm-hmm.
It's got a little bit more tension on it now because I pooched it in a little higher. It's got a chain that doesn't look like the belt I just put on the shelf over there.
That was pretty ugly.
And I fixed all the holes on the primary. Cleaned all the goo out of them.
You don't have a
I think the crank seal still
you
leaks.
don't
but
have
I
the
can't get it.
compensator, so it's direct drive.
The compensator will not fail.
It's kind of a direct drive.
Right, you notice this here? Let's see put this right. See this clamp?
Yeah.
It holds that on because the fan's a piece of crap.
Well, that's, why didn't you put that thing on 20 minutes ago?
You didn't tell me you were hot.
See the fan?
It's high tech. See, that's fine. Well, I'm sorry, see, I guess I have to take this off.
C-clamp. You know, that's an old Navy fan. You know that, right?
I know that's
Your
all I
mom
have.
got it from the Navy because they said this
No,
doesn't work.
no, I got it from the MRDO,
Oh, MR,
whatever it is.
DRMO.
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 They had a whole pallet full of them suckers.
DRMO.
Okay, we'll be back.
All right. We're having fun now.
Bread's getting cold.